AAOI stock analysis and AAOI stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space that's done 40,000 videos and has proof of everything, so I've seen what's working for me and what's not, especially now with Applied Optoelectronics. Bro, look at this. Let's get rid of all the previous stuff. Here's the top. Here's the demand. If this doesn't sort of give me the confirmation, then bro, I'm not buying whatsoever. So yeah, this is where we're sitting at. That's the top. If you do want to, I mean, all I'm doing is I'm waiting. So if you do want to learn how I'm waiting, if you stay tuned and want to learn how I'm making 5-10k from one trading, then sure, just click the first link in the description and get my free emails. But what I'm not going to do is just pull up here and just randomly start buying or whatever. Right, and I do have previous receipts on AAOI, so yeah, goodbye and enjoy.